Guys, this is the TOPUTURE TP6 treadmill, and what caught my attention with this one is it's not trying to be a massive gym style treadmill that takes over your entire house. No, this thing folds down, it has a proper handlebar, it can be used as a walking pad, it has manual incline settings, and it's designed for people who want to get more steps in at home without turning the living room into a fitness centre. So if you're trying to move more, maybe burn a few more calories, or just walk while you're working, stick around. I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube? Dave here with Seen Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, yes, this is the TOPUTURE TP6. It's a folding treadmill and walking pad with an adjustable handlebar, a remote control, a phone or tablet holder, and 3 manual incline positions. Now, you can use it for slower walking, a quicker pace, or even light running, depending on how you want to train and how much space you've got. And that's really the point with something like this. Not everyone wants a full-size treadmill sitting in the house all year round. Some people just want something they can pull out, use for 20 or 30 minutes a day, and then move out of the way. Now guys, before we get into it, TOPUTURE did send me this to take a look at and for me to give you my honest opinion. And guys, you know that whatever I review, you're always going to get my honest opinion, good, bad, or indifferent. So let's get it out of the rather large box and see what we have. So guys, once you've battled the cardboard and the polystyrene, setup is nice and simple. The TP6 comes pretty much assembled in the box. So you know what? You're not building a treadmill from scratch, which you know what is always a good start. Now, once it's out of that packaging, you can lay it flat, lift the handlebar into position, fit the phone holder, plug it in, power it on, and you are basically good to go. There's also the FitShow app, which connects over Bluetooth if you want to track your workout on your phone rather than just using the display on the treadmill. Now, weight-wise, guys, it's around 25 kilos, so it's not feather light, but you know what? It's manageable enough to move around the house. And because it folds down, you can store it upright, or you can even slide it under some furniture depending on your space. Or, you know what, you can just tuck it away when you're finished, lean it up against the wall, and you know, that's one of the biggest advantages here. It doesn't need a permanent home in the middle of your room. Now guys, on the treadmill itself, you've got a clear display, a big display showing the basics. You've got time, calories, speed, and distance. The controls are simple as well. You've got speed up, speed down, start, stop, and a preset button. And also guys, you've got an emergency stop key. Now the handlebar can also be adjusted forwards or backwards, up and down, so you know what, you can set it where it feels comfortable. I personally prefer it a little higher and a little further away, because you know what, it feels a little bit less cramped when you're walking or jogging. But again, that's going to come down to your height and preference. At the top guys, you've got the phone or tablet holder, which is handy if you want to watch something, follow a workout, or just keep your phone or tablet in view. Now, speed-wise, this bad boy goes from roughly 1 kilometer per hour to around 12 kilometers per hour. So you know what? At the lower end, it works as a walking pad for gentle steps while you're working. And at the higher end, you can get into a bit more of a jog or light run. Now, obviously, this is still a folding home treadmill, so I wouldn't expect it to feel like a commercial machine at the gym. But for home use, walking, daily movement, and getting a few of those steps in, it feels like it covers the main bases. And guys, the incline is manual, which is fine. You get 3 positions. You get a 1%, a 6%, and a 12% incline. And that's useful because incline walking is actually a good way to make a session feel more challenging without having to necessarily run further or faster. So if you're trying to keep the impact lower but still work a bit harder, that 6% or 12% setting could be handy. All you need to do is adjust the stabilizers properly when changing the incline so it sits level on the floor and doesn't wobble. Also guys, there's a shock absorption unit built right in, which should help make it walking or jogging feel a little bit kinder on the joints. And as always, that's personal, right? Because everyone's knees, ankles and fitness levels are different. But you know what, for a compact treadmill, it doesn't feel harsh underfoot, and that's important if you're planning on using it regularly. Now guys, the motor, that's an important part of this bad boy. It's rated at 2.5 horsepower, and noise-wise, do you know what? It's fairly quiet. You'll still hear it, obviously, because it's a treadmill, not a magic carpet, but it's not the sort of noise that makes it unusable in a home office or spare room. I'd probably not do it on a conference call, like a video call or something like that, because it could be a little bit distracting. But you know what, for everyday, day to day, it's fine. And one of the most useful ways to use this for me is as a walking pad while working. If you've got a standing desk or even just want to walk while watching videos, taking calls or doing admin, it gives you a practical way to build movement into the day without making it a full workout session. And that's where these smaller treadmills make sense. Sometimes it's just about not sitting down all day, just get some movement. Now, the FitShow app is a nice extra. Once connected, you can start a workout, see your time, distance, calories and speed, and it gives you a little bit of feedback as you go. It's not something everyone will care about, but you know what? If you like seeing progress, it does make the session feel a little bit more structured. Now guys, what about maintenance? Well, you know what? Again, like the whole theme here, maintenance is pretty simple. Like most treadmills and walking pads, you're going to need to add a little bit of treadmill lubricant every few months to keep that belt running smoothly. Now, it's not expensive and it's not difficult, but it's one of those things that you shouldn't just ignore. So if the belt starts sounding a little bit rough or the motor sounds like it's working harder than normal, that's usually a sign that it needs a little bit of attention. Now, the maximum user weight is around 136 kilos, which is about 21.5 stone. So it should cover a decent range of users. So guys, there you have it. The TOPUTURE TP6 treadmill. For me, this makes the most sense if you want something practical for home use. It folds down, it's not too awkward to move, it gives you walking pad use and treadmill use, and the incline options make it more flexible than a very basic flat walking pad. Now, it's not going to replace a full gym treadmill, and I wouldn't pretend that it will, but if your goal is more steps, a bit more movement, some incline walking, or a compact treadmill that you can actually store away, then you know what? This is a pretty useful option. And guys, at the time of this video going live, you can grab this on sale at around £200-ish. Now, I've seen lots of deals and vouchers and all sorts of things. And you know what? For a treadmill that usually costs around £400, it's a steal. I'll also leave any links and any further discounts in the description. Guys, if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like the video, then please give it a thumbs up. It really does make a difference. And if you'd like to see more of my content, then please subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks to TOPUTURE for sending me this cool treadmill to review. I'm Dave with Seen Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.